Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. Whee! Oh. Do you know what I forgot to do? I keep forgetting my multi-chat. I've done absolutely nothing productive. Well, I say that I've been busy editing and gosh, guys, it's never ending. There's always something to do. Okay. Let's read. Oh. I mean, this doesn't look great, does it? Dag nab it. Whoa! Alrighty-roo then. Alrighty-roo. I did see this earlier. What was this? Is this still the inlog? It is still the inlog. Delete that. Delete that. Delete. 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 I don't have my multi-chat up. Might be. I'm sorry. There we go. Okay, if anyone sent anything, I'm up and running now, I think. Wow. David, I was like 1 minute late. 1 minute late. Someone woke up sassy today. It was me. I woke up sassy today. Hey Ellipses, how's it going? And Only True Trader, how are you guys? I am not gonna be here. Wow, I say I'm not gonna be here. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, because lying's bad. I was not good this weekend in the sense of I did not do any backtesting because, like I said, Sunday was supposed to be cold and rainy and useless, and I was supposed to be able to actually sit down and get stuff done. What ended up happening is I went to the beach, and as I don't know if you can see my lovely tan lines I ended up getting, I wasn't, yeah, but it was fun. So, you know, Ellipses, how did we sleep? To be honest with you guys, I woke up with a splitting headache. Maybe I had too much sun yesterday, but it's okay. I took a Jan pain and I'm feeling better. But Ellipses, how was your weekend? Wow, David, my bad. I'm sorry. Jeez, I'm getting told off. I'm so sorry. Okay, here's NWOG. Texty text. Yes, I just said texty text. Don't judge. Okay, went into it, bounced off of it again. There's BWAP, awesome source. Down here now is Asia Low. Okay, we got Asia Low. Got a lot of accumulation down here. Followed by distribution up. Cool, cool, cool. I got there, and we're still slowly climbing. I thought the bears were starting to win. What happened? Hey, there's Bob's level. I still have everything marked out. Is it bad when I say I don't remember the last time I backtested? Only True Trader? Nah, it's fine. I feel like everyone must just do what works for them. Happy Monday, some guy. How's it going? Did you manage to touch some... Guys, I have such a funny idea. I'm gonna make a video because I think it's hilarious. I'm gonna go... Wait, maybe I shouldn't tell you guys, but I think it's funny. I don't know, maybe it's a dumb idea, but I want to take a video of a trade doing bad. Or, you know, I have plenty of screen recordings of a trade not going my way. And then I'm gonna go outside, I'm gonna like touch some grass. Even if I pull a piece of grass and walk in, I'm like, okay, I've touched grass now. And then hopefully the trade goes back up. I thought it was funny. I thought of it, and I've been wanting to do it the whole weekend. I thought it was hilarious. But I also have a really lame sense of humor, so maybe it's not as funny as I think it is. Anyways. Hey Jose, how's it going? Jag, what up? Hey, White Man 1B, what up? How you doing? It was hilarious. I'm surprised you could even see. But oh no, listen, guys. The wind. So that was Saturday. So Saturday it was too windy. I took my dog to the beach because he loves going to the beach. But the wind was ridiculous. It was actually ridiculous. My plan was to sit down and chill at the beach, and I was like, if I sit down, I'm going to get blasted by the sand, so I'm not gonna sit down. So that was that. On Saturday, I mean, yesterday, Sunday, perfect beach weather. It doesn't come around often. It was perfect, and I was like, we are going to the beach now because I do not trust coastal weather to listen for very long, because 1 minute it's beautiful and it's sunny and there's no wind and it's just perfect, and then the next all of a sudden wind comes and it's raining. So I was like, we're going right now. So yeah, that's where the lovely, I guess they're not too bad, I was gonna say the lovely tan lines come in. What's the matter? My dog just walked around the corner and stared at me. I'm like, oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, thank you, David. Yes, I will. Ellipses, you're such a weird human. I mean, Ellipses, did you only realize that now? Just like, hey, Laura, what's up? How's it going? How's Goldman treating you? Okay, cool. Ellipses, as long as you think it's funny. Hey, Trading of ICT, how are you? Rory, hi. Give her a baby, what should I do? Any recommendations? What? Diamante, how are you? Just BT dubs, Diamante. I saw you did a little subscribe just before I went on live. I was there and I was like, Diamante. I was like, ah, hello. Where's LP? I haven't seen him in a while. I think he's busy. He's more on Discord recently, Diamante. I'm actually not sure. LP, you there? My dogs can see the supernatural. Well, then there's constantly something chilling behind me. That's all I'm saying. Much grass was touched. Went out camping again, had a fire, fed off a steak, went hiking. Oh, some guy, that's amazing. That's amazing. I touched sand. Does that count? Like I said, this is where that grass video idea came from, because I was out there at the beach and I was like, I'm touching sand. Does this count as touching grass? I think this could count as touching grass, right? I'm not just realizing, just thought I'd point it out. Thanks, Ellipses. Silver Bullet Trader, what's up? How you doing? And Prem, hi. Sorry, I see I'm missing a lot. I still recommend a cool shower in case heat stroke or cold. Oh, listen, I'm sure. Oh no, I'm good. My shoulders were red. Luckily for me, I am half Portuguese, so the olive skin helps quite a bit, because I was indeed a little bit red, and now I'm just tan, so... Sorry, that sounded a little bit like a brag, but... Sand graph, yeah. Knowledge about trading. Ah! But, oh, right. Give me a second. I forgot. I have to do two things. Number one. Okay. Thank you, David, for reminding me. Any trades today, Prem? No, not yet. Silver Bullet, that's great. How was everyone else's weekend? Sorry, I spoke a lot about my weekend now. How was everyone else's? Is everyone having an amazing time? I feel like I should give everyone a heads up. Not this Friday. Next Friday for the New York session, I will not be here. Just a heads up. In case, you know, just in case. Oh, thanks, Craig. Now, let's see, shall we? Okay. This just kind of looks like sideways movement, which is not ideal. Like I said, maybe I should focus for a second. Still just sideways. It's been moving sideways. Wow! Ooh, this is not starting great. It's been moving sideways since I hopped on at 8 this morning. 8 a.m. this morning. I was online and you can see it's just been going sideways. What does it look like on the 5 minute? Yeah. I mean, slowly up, I guess. 15 minute. Took out this. Ooh, is it wanting to come fill this gap? No, there was that gap filled. That was the previous NWOG, but that has been filled and refilled. Anyways. Yeah, David, that's bad. That's bad. Ooh, I've missed a lot. Oh, my bad. Don't worry, we'll be making all you. Kid, what? Some kid, what? Kalani, am I missing something? Nico, is trading worthwhile? I think in the long run, yes, in the long run. But if you're hoping for a quick, easy way to make money, no. If you're willing to put time and effort in, yes. Yeah, success comes only those in issues are strong, even the toughest parts, blah, blah, blah. Sell-off coming now. Oh, Kalani, you think so? Weekend wasn't the best. Only productive thing that happened was me going for boxing training. Ooh! Ellipsy is boxing training. Oh, cool. So I used to do kickboxing. I loved it. I actually really miss doing kickboxing. It was so much fun. I never did it competitively. I'm not strong enough for that, but just fitness wise, and especially for the bones and strengthening everything, is awesome. So much fun. I do miss it. Diamond real trash was this chop. Only true trader, this has been discussed. Well, I mean, it is. This is gross. It's not doing anything useful right now. Gold is moving great. Really? Let me have a look. I'll be my... Oh, goodness, David. What did he do? Nico, okay, so have you done any trading before? I'm assuming not, but help me out a little bit. What do you know? What don't you know? Just, yeah. Food stamps? What's that? But it sounds amazing. Next week, let's go. Whoa, what? Hey, JJMGFX94, what up? How can I stop over-risking? Ooh, have rules. For me, that's... Ooh, here's the sell-off. For me, it's just rules, 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 and stick to your rules. I need to practice what I preach sometimes. Well, not really like I'm preaching, but you know. Have your standard set of rules and stick to them. That's it. JJMGFX, how long have you been trading for? Why did I stop kickboxing? Ellipses. Well, my friend stopped. So I just went to like a little private dojo thing, and then my friend stopped, who was the instructor, and then the new instructor was terrible, so I then stopped. And where I am now doesn't have kickboxing. Kickboxing isn't as common as you would think. Far Cry the best. We don't look forward to a boom session today? What? What? Maybe I need to pin that, David. Maybe I need to pin that message right there. Again, guys, if I do not respond to anyone, I apologize. Let me check the 4-hour quick sticks as well. Let me do that and check the 4-hour. Still going down. Ooh, we're about to hit here. Beautiful inverse fair value gap right here. On the 4-hour. Okay. Noted. It is. This is starting to look like a Christmas tea. Christmas tea. Okay. Okay. Yep. Yep. This is not starting well. Okay, I can't trade in the chop. Unfortunately, how far up is... Oh, there's the inverse fair value gap right there. Right there. Do you think it's going to go up, tap into that, and then drop down? On the 4-hour, that kind of looks where it's headed, but I could be wrong. Yeah, it is. Oh, I see there's some new subs. Thank you. It's the new subs, by the way. No, JJ. Oh my goodness. Okay, whoa. Pause. JJ. Number one, maybe consider using a prop firm, because then you are forced to have rules. So I would suggest potentially using a prop firm to almost help you manage that. It's almost forced rules to help you with your discipline. For instance, how does paying? So Nico, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm still very new at trading. So I've only been trading since April, and I'm not profitable yet. Just for anyone who's watching, who's thinking, I can watch her and make loads new. Not yet, guys. Hopefully, well, I don't want to say hopefully soon because that sounds bad, but one day it will indeed happen, but for now, I'm not profitable yet. I still have a lot of learning to do. It's definitely a journey. This is not a quick thing, this is 100% a journey. Laura, no, I'm not on gold. Let me have a look. Look at gold. Let me have a look from. Hey, son, what up? Rip, how was my trading last week? It ended as a break-even week, which I guess is not bad, but it's not ideal. Let's check out gold. Gold, also kind of going sideways. I mean, it's eventually still continuing to the upside. Laura, what do you think gold's gonna end up doing today? I haven't marked out anything on gold, sorry. What prop firms do I use? So I'm currently on top 1 futures. But basically any of the affiliated ones, so in my description you'll see there's like 6 prop firms. You can have a look through them because obviously each prop firm has different rules. I don't know much about you and your personality and what would work best for you. So I think my advice would just be go through them, check out their rules, and if you find one that looks perfect for you, then there we go. And if you want a discount, obviously you can use my code, which is TeachMaya. Son, how's it going? You know what, son? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. How's your trading been going? I see one little hair. It's driving me mental. Okay. Leaving a lot of liquidity. Yep. Some guy, it definitely is, which... You know, I always then want to say it, which means I think it's gonna come and grab it, but... markets don't always do what I think they're gonna do. Honestly, you think it might sell because it just likes to fake out? I guess, Rip, thank you. Yeah, no, that's true. That is true, Rip, thank you. Yeah. It's one step at a time, unfortunately. Framework's gonna go for sure, that's why it's consolidating. I'm gonna take drinks on my... some guy. Whoa, I think that side of the world is so much more expensive than down here. Son, I have a look at gold. I've taken 3 trades on the gold. 1 loss, no, I lie. 1 win, 2 losses, which is obviously not ideal. I've just been having a look at it, but recently London session for trading has just been garbage. Absolute garbage. I haven't stopped talking once. I do apologize, guys. I do apologize. I'm talking quite a lot today, which is not a bad thing, I don't think. You know, can't say it's boring. But I'm also not shutting up. I may or may not have too much energy. Whee! Okay. Okay, either way, I can't do much when it's chopping, because we know it never works with my strategy when it's chopping. So this is where that discipline, discipline comes in. So I know that when it's choppy, my strategy does not work. So is it worth trading in the chop? Absolutely not, because then I'm going to have more losses than wins, and then I'm going to be in the red, and we do not want to be in the red. Alani, what software do you use to live stream? OBS. Hey Justin, how's it going? How's your weekend? Can I please add the weekly volume profile? I don't think I have it. Sorry. Project X is quite, I want to say fussy. I don't know if fussy is the right word. But Project X doesn't have all the indicators that TradingView has. Is trading 212 or any others good? 212. Plans for after market crash. Great Scott. Love your name, by the way. What do you mean for plans after market crashes? You trade the crash. That sounds bad, but you know what I mean. Get your pullback and enjoy. Solly, hi. Sorry, I think I missed your earlier message. How's it going, Solly? How was your weekend? How is Australia? You made 6 grand last week. Whoop whoop. Busy, that's amazing. Busy bee. Busy bee. Busy bee. Busy bee. Nailed it. It took me a minute, but I got it. It's not London. It is. Oh no, in 15 minutes, London. My bad. Weekend was good. I did absolutely nothing but catch up on sleep and rest. Oh, Justin, I'm jealous. Well, the problem is I can only do so much of that. So when was it? I think Saturday. I did nothing. I could do nothing for exactly half of the day. And then I was getting super frustrated because now I was a little bit bored. So that's when I then like took my dog for a walk and I went and did this and I went and did this. Unfortunately, I can't sit still for very long. Okay, for marketing my channel, just organic growth. Lilani, yeah. 25408. Oh, this point right here. Yep. I did see it earlier. I don't know why I didn't mark it. There we go. Wait, but you said 408, so a little bit lower. Close enough. This point right here. I think it's gonna pop back down there. I mean, do you think it's gonna pop back down to the end mark? Ooh, maybe that's what's gonna happen during the New York session. So I try not to speculate or have a bias. I try not to. Like, it's good to have a little bit of a bias, but try not to assume what the market's gonna do, because I've done that. Did not go well. JJ, am I based in the UK? No, I'm South African. Oh gosh. Greetings from Malaysia. Hi from South Africa. Not done consolidating. Multi-mirror, yeah. Well, not done yet. Maybe, let's see. Give it a few more minutes, right? Well, no. London opens in 5 minutes, to be specific. So we got 5 minutes. Let's see what happens. Hey Melvin, how's it going? Which market is this? This is the Nasdaq futures. And the London Open is about to happen. So let's see if something happens. Let's see, being the keyword. Hey Emily, what's up? How are you? Emily, what's confusing? What's up? What's happening? Okay, guys. Well, it kind of sucks. My coffee's nearly cold already. And nothing has happened just yet. Okay, I think I need to draw my box again. I think this is where we are at. This just helps me with my rules of only once it is properly outside of this box can I start to look for a trade. But it has to get out of this little box first, or else I'm just going to be trading in the chop, which is not worth it. But it has to be properly out of this box. I can't just like wick out and I'm like, ah, there we go. It's good to go. Oh, Emily, what are we talking about? Not much just yet. We're just waiting for opening. Yeah, and I'm just talking a lot. And we're all discussing like the weekend and things like that. JJ, how long have I been in trading? So only since April. Yeah, so I haven't been trading that long. I've been trading since April. I know for some people maybe that's long. I know some people already are profitable and going and are doing amazing 6 months in. I'm now 6 going on 7 months. Yeah? Yes? So I'm not profitable yet. I'm very open and honest about that stuff, guys. I don't want to sit here and lie and be like, oh, if you do this and this, you guys are going to be millionaires in a year. No. This is a journey. And it's one thing at a time. And the mental... I want to say game. The mental part of trading slowly destroys you, but it's cool. What's better, trading or long-term investing? Inhaled steam, I think it depends on who you are as a person. Yeah. I think there's arguments for a lot of them. But I think it depends on who you are as a person and your personality. I hope that made sense. Oh, okay. Go enjoy playing Roblox. I've never played Roblox, which is bad. Some guy, some guy, are you trading today? You still just gonna take the week off? What's the plan? Oh, thanks, Emily. You too. Have an amazing night or day, depending on where you're at. Am I live every day, JJ? Yes, I am. I'm live every day for both London and New York session. I feel like there's drama going on in the chat. I'm gonna stay out of it. I'm just gonna stay doing my little happy chappy thing, looking at the chart and answering some questions. Apart from London and New York session, do you still trade? No. So everything I trade live. Yeah. So that you guys can see. Like I said, I want this to be a very open and honest journey. I want you guys to be able to see the wins and the losses, and that, you know, some days you are going to blow accounts, and then some days it looks like you're going to do amazing, and then you can go from being in the green to just completely destroying it in like 5 minutes, which sucks. You know, I've been there, done that. I'm sure a lot of you guys have. But everything that I trade, I do live. Because I want this to be a very open and honest situation. Because I do feel not all, obviously I'm not here to blame or point fingers or anything, but there are some people out there who like to scam and say, look at this, all of my trades are wins and I'm doing amazing. I'm here going, no. No, I'm doing my best. I'm doing my best. I can do better. I can do better. Like I said, this weekend I was cheeky. I should have actually done some more back testing. I should have done a little bit more research. I ended up not doing that because it was actually a sunny weekend, and for once I could actually go to the beach. So that's what I ended up doing. And now today is cloudy, so let's see what today brings, but then I have to go to the horses later. I heard drama. Who wants to smoke Diamante? There we go. You don't want to be rich. You just want to buy land. Ooh, JJ, where are you from? Your community is good. Maybe it helps big if you trust them, son. Yeah. Well, I mean, I do trust them. Do I not? Does it not look like I trust them? I mean, they're amazing. They've sent a bunch of their trades. They've sent a bunch of training things, which is where I've been bad. I need to go through them. Part of me is nervous. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to be very open and honest today. Part of me is a little bit nervous of going through things and getting completely overwhelmed and starting to overcomplicate things. I have a habit of doing that. But in the same breath, the more you know, the more... what's the right word? I've gone blank on the word that I'm looking for right now. More accurate? No. More correct? No, I don't know what I'm trying to say. But the more informed, there we go. The more you know, the more informed and potentially more accurate trades you can make. The trolls love the vertical trad. Yep. Hey, what up? And Miles, how are you? Miles, I mean, come on, guys. You can't say it's not entertaining. You live in the UK. Oh, yeah, the UK is expensive. Especially for us little South Africans. We see the price of things over there and we go, damn, that's insane. Hey, Joy of Travel. Joy of Travel. Ooh, good morning. Good morning. Where are you from? Get out the box. Can we please do something else? That would be amazing. But wait, what? Big boot on the floor? That's your new song. There's a song called Big Booty on the Floor? Maybe I shouldn't say that on live, but really? Is there a song that's called that? Am I rich? My younger man to take care of. TV? No, sorry. I wish I was. I have horses, so I need a big, strong, rich man to look after me. Because no, I'm joking. I'm joking. I am very much. I like to be independent, which is why I'm doing this. To be even more independent. I don't like relying on people. That's like a no-no for me. So you're from Denmark? That's so cool. Joy of Travel. What time is it there for you? Finding people helps with subscribing. I don't know if it'll be cool. These trolls usually make another account. I'm just a troll again. Oh gosh. Online platforms is a whole other ball game. It's very entertaining. Who has time? I think that's always my thing. Who has enough time to go and make new accounts and do these things? Like, it's a lot. It's a lot. No. You're 17. Should I start day trading? Yuck. Sorry. You can start to understand trading. Wait, do we have something? Do we have something? This is something. Hallelujah. Here we go. Ah, it's past. Okay, London has officially opened. Let's see if it stays up. 9:34. 9:34. Damn, nice. Okay, so you're like an hour behind. Looks like spring here. Oh, David's got 17 accounts. Never mind, my bad. Maybe. Why do you have 17 accounts? Okay. Maybe I don't want to know the answer to that. Maybe I don't need to know the answer to these things. Okay, 2 seconds. My dog's giving me that face. That face. Why does it look like it's coming back into the range? Stay out of the range, please. Or is this just... Okay, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Okay. Like I said, it has to break properly out of this before I potentially consider hopping into this. What did I miss? I missed something. This is an accumulation. Yep, and we'll test the top potentially break. And last move down looks like a spring. Really? Sad. Don't rely on others. Maybe others help you a lot and improve you more in trading. Oh no, son. I meant I rely on others for information and I meant financial wise. Sorry. Maybe I should have elaborated that. Sorry, son. No, to have others on your side. I mean, that was the whole point of this community, right? The whole point of this community is to have like-minded people who genuinely want to help and genuinely want to help others succeed, because this is not an easy field. Despite what some people believe, I used to be some people, I used to think that this was just an easy, risky way of making money. No. This is really hard, and we all want to see each other succeed. Mr. Mojo, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Let me pop onto the gold again. Let's see what gold's doing. I'm a retired troll. Make me go and resubscribe to everyone. Oh, huh? Do I have a cat too? Diamante? No, I don't have a cat. Unfortunately. Okay, so also slowly pushing up. Okay. Let's see if we get some proper moves. Maybe a little bit later. I mean, oh my account, Sun, done buying. Oh, from India. Hi, how many years have I been in the game? Young boy burner, 0 years. Been trading since April. Oh, really? What? That's hilarious. J-Dad, you want to gift me? Gift me with what, J-Dad? That could mean a lot of things. And when you start to take it serious, also when you... Young boy burner? Not profitable yet. Sorry. Like I said, I'd really try and be open and honest about that. When did I start to take it more serious? Well, I like to believe that I always took it seriously, but that's a lie. I probably only really started taking it more seriously with regards to the mental state and the discipline and not being too overly emotional about things. When was it? Let's say September. And I'm from South Africa. There's one thing that everyone must do, and that's trade order flow. JJ, how many charts do you have in front? What you see is... Well, I got this in ES open. Because ES and NQ drive each other. And the swing shorts in for our supply. Looking for a decent structure flip confirmation to take a trade. Yeah. Oh, so some guy you are trading today? Mm-hmm. Oh gosh, David. Okay. Hey, Celestial. What's up? How's it going? How's the trading been? has not properly broken out there yet. Jumped into there. So what I think it wants to do, being the keyword. Oh, I've lost the ability to speak and it's only Monday. Oh, that's not great. Okay, that's fine, it's fine. I can just be silent on a stream, right? You guys won't mind if I'm not saying anything at all. There's an inverse fair value gap up here on the 4 hour. I wonder if it wants to tap into that before there's a reversal. So let's go check the 4 hour. Let me just block everything there. Zoom out even more. Oh, it's just gonna continue going higher. I mean, here we had a little bit of a change of character. Now we need to wait for a proper break of structure. Okay. There. And done. Whoa. Okay. Back to the 1 minute. This is gonna look like that. And let me put this back on. Oh, thanks, Akash. What do I think about Jasmine? Jasmine? What concepts do I use in trading? So I use a bit of ICT and SMC concepts, but I use, it's more, I guess, range. We need to take trades and we hit macro zones. It's taken 3 days, but we finally hit one. Oh, nice. Okay, some guy. That's awesome. It's funny. Break even this morning, look for sells, but got inverted into buys at 9. Oh, okay. Okay though, Celestial. Break even's not bad. Hey Art P, how are you? How's it been? I've missed you. How's it been going? How's the trading and all that fun stuff? What does it look like on the 5 minute right now? Back into the bam, 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 bam. Yeah. Oh, everything's just been down. JJ, do I trade? I don't. Sorry. But some guy does. Oh, thanks, Ace Ventura. You're so sweet. My daily profit in the stock market. Akash, are you asking? Because it depends on the day. Up to 40 this morning, not on this run up at the moment. Gonna wait for some corrective activity before looking for the long. Must have continued the trend higher. Yep, RP, that's kind of what I'm waiting for. Is it gonna continue higher though? Let's see. I want to say yes. Curious about this. Want to see something. Tapped into that level twice. Okay. Shoot. Shoot. There we go. Done. Done and done. There we go. Yep. So some guy, out of curiosity, someone was, you know how you sometimes get lectured, and this sounds bad. I'm just gonna be open and honest about it, because I'm younger and a girl. Unfortunately, it is what it is. But if you end up chatting to some older guys, especially, yeah, not always, obviously not always. You guys are amazing. I'm just saying in general, especially down here, especially in person, they see I'm a younger girl and they assume I know nothing about the markets. But anyways, I was getting a complete lecture about how I must rather just invest everything in Bitcoin now, just put, I don't want to say everything, but they essentially said, just put everything into Bitcoin right now. And I looked at them, I was like, but it's a bearish market right now. And then, that upset them, because obviously now I talked back. But out of curiosity, would now be a good time to invest in Bitcoin? Because I mean, I guess buy low, sell high, but yeah. Okay, rip. So we're in a manipulation zone. That's usually where the manipulation happens. However, the next 50 minutes are crucial to set a direction, in my opinion. Short story long, nothing to do now. Rip. I love that. Sorry, that's what I always say. I always go short story long, because as you can see, I ramble. I get to the point, just there's 20 little mini quests in between, or side quests in between to get to the point. My struggle is nice. Oh, thanks, Akash. I appreciate that. Grab liquidity at 316. It might continue higher to that gap you called out. Eee, nice, Diamante. Let's see. It's what I think it might do. It might tap into that inverse fair value gap and proceed to drop a little bit lower. I could be very wrong. I am so young. Thank you. Just for Forex. You're from USA. Nice. You tell them to shove it. Long-term Bitcoin, yes, I agree, Diamante. Price create a higher push up, which is an area I look to short from. If we reject off of it back down to POC, trade the edges, not the middle of the range. RP, the problem is I'm so bad at telling where the edges are. I'm really not, I'm not great at that. It used to be something I tried. I tried. I did give it a go where I'd mark it, and sorry, as you can see, I freaking have hiccups again. It's like the story of my life. Maybe it's the coffee, but I did try to do that before. Disaster. I think I blew my account so quickly. We'll keep pushing up to the major weekly level. My opinion, you should never be buying crypto during a bull run. Yep. The depths of a bear market, when everyone else is scared, that's the time when real money is made. Okay, so some guy, what you're saying is theoretically, yes, now is a decent time, except, so my argument was, if you buy now, but let's say you don't have that much capital, and if you buy now and it's going to continue bearish before it goes back up bullish, could it not potentially screw you first before it goes back up? I guess obviously depending on if you have a stop loss set or what's your amount and all that jazz. But like I said, this was the, I don't even want to say argument. Eventually I just kind of sat there and listened, but this was the whole thing that we were discussing. Yes, Maya, fly me out. There we go, Diamante. Chef boy, what up? Chef boy, what? Chef boy, I'm so sorry. About investing into picking up Doom and coming to see Solly and I. There we go, David. Expert bullish market until it's bearish. Ooh, I like that. 530 is the next target. Yeah, so basically, well, okay, obviously TP would be a little bit higher. I don't know if it's gonna pop back into this level though, but I mean, it is closing better. Let's see, like I said, I'm not hating this. This is 12 points. It's very small. I have one E. E. That's the only E right there. Do you think it wants to go up to that level? Like I said, it's 12 points. Two. Not the worst, but it's not the greatest entry either. There's a lot better entries. I've missed a bunch. I'm so sorry. BTC historically bottoms out the bear market between the levels from previous bear lows. Yeah. I'm not looking to buy again until roughly 33k Bitcoin. Interesting. Long other day too. Okay. Aw. Thanks, Chef Boy. Chef Boy, where are you from? Do I know about kill zone time zones? I've heard about them, Celestial. I don't know them that Akash, do you want to meet me? Why? To be honest, overwhelming majority of these bros get super salty anytime you disagree with buy Bitcoin now. Yep. And then 4 hour market structure flip. Bullish before buying. There's some what was I gonna say? Wasn't there some opinions that it's gonna continue bearish, you know, at least until December? But okay, it's not really like I've looked at the chart, so I don't even know what it looks like right now. I'm just going based off of what people have told me. Not good investing BC now because of high pull out, almost 35% down, and maybe it's going to 50%, and it's happened. Damn, son. Some guy routing you. Hey, Byron, what's up? Okay, this. Yeah, I remember that's $1 originally was Bitcoin will go to 0. Yeah, but not 0. Okay, got it. So I'm reading everything. If I'm quiet, it's gonna run up. Initial setup cells. Got inverted twice. Have fun, you'll be safe. Oh, cheers, Celestial. JJ, I will now. My entry would be around here. Which is not looking bad. Interesting, big investment. Let me do your thing. Yes, you're right. Don't listen to anyone. Make your own informed decisions. Yeah? That's what you call them, Martin. Landing 9 to 3 AM. Celestial, I'm assuming not SA time, right? I don't show my legs. No, why would I show my legs? What? what does showing legs have anything to do with trading? Okay, a better move of looking long is to wait for pullback, then enter new highs. It look shorts and look for break of the MPSU retest and continuation lower. In at 3 to 4 a.m. Maybe I'm wrong. Only 2 trader. Ride the wave. My time on the ocean has time zones. Celestial, that's valid. I do enjoy the fact that a lot of the times, the market can be, you know, you can use the ocean as quite a nice metaphor for the market. You know, it's the same as when it's choppy. You don't exactly want to be swimming when it's choppy, because anything can happen. You want to ride the wave, right? Which is when there's some decent momentum. I could, you know, just in my opinion, I think looking at this like the ocean's quite nice. Maybe it's just because I live right by the ocean, but still. Hey, Lukey. I'm leaning towards bull for now because there's a point of interest up above, especially on the 4-hour time frame. But again, don't let bias or what you think's gonna happen cloud what is actually happening. I learned that on Friday with the gold. I traded short because I thought it was gonna go short, and it went long because it was slowly pushing up. So silly. But London does start at 2 a.m. London open at 3 a.m. Hamish, I am from South Africa. Oh my goodness. Okay, David. So here's the thing with that. It's fine to look at cycles, historical data, but the data sample for Bitcoin, for what you mentioned, is irrelevant. It's way too small. Luke, you only take shorts. I guess I get snapped. Took 2 losses so far. Really? Why? Wait, why do you only take shorts, Lukey? Just that's what you think is gonna happen, or? Ah, here we go. Oh, okay. It didn't pull back where I wanted it to. If I'd used a different range, but again, I wouldn't have used this range. There's absolutely nothing confirming this, but that would have been a win. But like, yuck. Just yuck. Even that wouldn't have tagged me, and that would have sucked. Hiccup. If I'd done that, no. I mean, meh. Sorry, I'm mumbling to myself. I apologize. I'll stop mumbling to myself. Rules are rules. Day 1 time frame gives short bias. This is where you get your confirmations 4, 3 to 4. They get mustn't see because no land till landing. Ah, nice, son. I like it. Do you mind? I did see what you said. Many people get lost at sea. Those are people's accounts. Valid. But aren't they the ones that get swept up in the chaos? See? You can use it. That's quite a nice metaphor. Whoop. Okay. Here we go. Finally, at least we're out of this damn box properly now. Just draw to where it actually finally broke out. This would be the better entry, but let's see. David, cool, checking. What's up? What's happening? What? Sorry. Okay. Woo! I pressed the wrong thing. I'm so sorry. My bad. My bad. Oh, got it. I was so confused. I was like, yes, no, what? Got it. Mike G, let's go. Well, it will mathematically. Okay, okay. I'm so sorry. I see that I've missed a bunch of messages. I apologize in advance for that. Okay, I'm gonna try this. No. Yes. Maybe. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 10 on this is the correct amount. Let's give this a go. Okay, let's see. Maybe not. Need to see what we're going to do. Oh, what? Hey, Nancy, what's up? And push, it seems like it's going to consolidate. Oh, sugar honey iced tea. Never mind. Well, let me just do this. Make it a... Has to go to around here. Come on. Yeah, you had your fun. Now go back up. Oh, thanks, JJ. Let's see. Y'all make me nervous now. Because trend is friend. Am I online every day? Yes. For so long, for so long. What do you mean by for so long? Oh, okay. Move my stop to midpoint. So mitigate my risk by half. Because it went to around 1 to 1. Okay, now wait for it around 70%. Close to 70%, not quite at 70% though. YouTube's, what up? Okay, we've hit a little bit of a resistance level there. Hey! Oh, so I feel like I've missed a bunch, my bad, I'm so sorry. I will have a look now. I'm just making sure when it reaches a specific... Stinks? Give me a second. Okay, now it's definitely, so there we are now at TP. Oh, do you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make it 9 and I'm gonna leave 1 runner, just for funsies. Okay. That's a mistake or it's not. Thanks, I'm sorry, let me check what you said. Ah, Sphinx, do I teach trading? Not exactly, because I'm still learning, but, however, but being the key word here, if you want to learn, this is definitely an amazing place. First of all, thank you for the super chat, mad love, thank you. Secondly, what I was saying was, the chat here can sometimes be overwhelming. However, the amount of information you get is so valuable. It is ridiculous. Okay, so we are going slowly but surely. Hey! Okay, now we leave a bit of a runner. But either way, we're up. So that's exciting. Nope. Maybe I spoke way too soon. But oh, wait, wrong amount, wrong amount, wrong amount. That is a stop sell for... No, why did I do that? It's 1. There we go. Did the wrong thing there. That was bad. Thank you guys. Yeah, that was a goodie. That was a goodie. But now I'm gonna let one run. Just for fun. Just for fun, because it can't hurt. Watching this inverse fair value gap up here. I'm waiting to see if it pops into it, because that would be cool. That's where I thought it would head today. Let's see if it comes back and gets me out. I'm still in the green, it's fine. Gonna leave it there. Let us draw this. What am I drawing? I'm drawing this. Ah, maybe it will come and get me. No, that's okay. And there. Okay. Let's see, it's around 50%. I gave it a little bit of, well, quite a bit of wiggle room in case it did want to retrace back in. Thanks, guys. Yes. Oh my gosh. Whoop, whoop. Do you see? I'm trying to be more calm and collected about things. Trying, being the keyword. Believe me, inside, I was like, what have I done? 122 passive sellers there. Ooh, okay. This isn't the major move. If you want a quick scalp now is the time to enter. Missing a random cold coin. The guy who made that coin through. Damn, that's rough. The funny fly. So Stinks, this is Project X. I'm using Top 1 Futures Prop Firm. So if you are new to trading, I would recommend, so number 1. Again, this is just in my opinion. I think obviously different people would have different opinions. And for those of you that have been here for a while, I'm sure you're bored of hearing this, so I'm sorry, you can tune out. So number 1, start with paper trading to find a strategy that works for you and that makes sense to you. Okay, that's number 1. Number 2 is that you then, again, in my opinion, start with a prop firm so that you have the live trading, you have the emotions, you have the anticipation behind it. However, you know, keyword being however, you don't blow through all your capital to begin with. And then once you're profitable for, I can't give you too much after that because that's kind of where I am, but once you're profitable with the prop firms, then you can look at just going straight to funded or doing a live account. Again, this is just my opinion. Please don't come at me. Rip 25555. Okay, Rip, let's see. 1 minute chart, yeah. Hey Blair, yeah, I'm on the 1 minute chart. Link and discount codes in the description. Oh, thanks, Nox. You are welcome. Yes, like Nox said, if you want to check out a bunch of different prop firms, in my description there's like 5 or 6. You can go through all of them, see which one suits your fancy. I don't want to say, oh, you must definitely use this or this or this, because everyone is different and everyone's personality will work different with a different prop firm. Greetings from Germany. Hi, Cat Fox Laura. How you doing? Hi from South Africa. This might just come wake me out before it goes back up, but that's fine. Wow. Like, if you're gonna do it, just do it. Yeah, honestly. Once you're profitable, just start compounding, either having multiple accounts as well as a live account, and just milk props and use the... Just skip the eval once you've shown you're profitable. Oh, there we go. Yeah, only true trader. Thank you. See? Only true trader. Has got it. What just happened? Oh, hello from Denmark. Another one from Denmark. That's so cool. Multimirror, no, don't enter. Well, I haven't entered anything. I have one runner that's still going. So, I'm still in something. Either way, I'm not gonna lose. I'm in the green. regardless, but I don't know how that didn't take me out, to be fair. I think it's about to now, but I don't know how that didn't earlier. JJ, how many trades do I normally make per day? It depends on the day. 100%. It literally depends on the day. If my setup presents itself, then I could do up to 6. I want to say up to 6, but yeah, if it doesn't present itself, then none. That's where the discipline comes in. I used to just take and hope, which is bad. So I will go through what I saw with this trade for those of you that were asking why I took this trade. I'll go through it. I sometimes get nervous because sometimes you guys say, no, I'm being dumb. Which is valid sometimes. Sometimes I am. YouTube's nice. Yeah, I'm an investor. Oh, nice. Nice, YouTube's. Oh, thanks, Rip. Thank you. Nice. Okay. Is it gonna keep going to... Where's the 555? Hey, Rip? Yeah, you said 555. Let's check out 555. 555. 555. 555. If I say it enough, I'll find it. There we go. 555. There it is. We got... Is this a win I see? Boom! It is. And... one trailing. So I'm still in this. Was a win, so let me make a little tick tick tick. So it was a win, and I'm still in for one contract. So tis cool, tis cool. Let's see, a bit of a resistance level over there. Prop take 5 years. Why? What? Prop takes 5 years off your life? Why? Oh my gosh. Am I moving to Dubai? But oh yes, that's cool. It's going to that box up there. Yep, Diamante, it's going to... I'm assuming. So here... Sorry, you can see there's like 2 boxes. There's one. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I drew it because it was a bit of a resistance level. I'm gonna have to double check. But this here is an inverse fair value gap. So I think it might want to pop into this inverse fair value gap on the 4 hour. That was what I suspected anyways. Okay, this I can probably move up now to around there. And now we just kind of slowly trail it up. Yay! Boom! Ah, yay. Ah. And I waited for this one here because it was choppy and I said, I'm not going to do the chop. You can see I even made a little block here and I said, once it's out of the block, I will look for a setup. And then I did, and check. It was a nice one. Now just, you know, make sure it has a little bit of wiggle room. Just fixing you. Thanks, Blair. I'm 6, I thought you had to skip school, so I'm a lone homer. Aw, I'm sorry. But I mean, ugh, nice to be at home chilling, I can imagine. Obviously sucks you feeling sick. Don't get me wrong. Obviously sucks you feeling sick. I'm so sorry. How do you... Oh, okay. Cheers, boom. Blair, am I a salesperson for a prop firm? No, not necessarily. I just have affiliate codes. Yeah. Okie dokie. Okie dokie then. Cool. We're still going. I mean, I could have... Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna go underneath there. I don't know if that's maybe a bit too close. That might be a little bit too close. Let's make it there. Okay. Well, rip. There was the 555. Solidly. Damn. Am I live in New York? Yes, I am live at New York Open. Yes. Literally can make more openings. He has 2 cases in this brain one. Wow, if you think so, Justin. No. No. Definitely won't say a salesperson. Mike Tyson and his girlfriend broke up because... Oh, Skeletor, no. Solly, are you in the same trade? Nice. Solly, where's your TP at? I literally just have the one trailing. And I'm gonna follow it up to there. It might do some wild stuff now, though, because it's about to hit this inverse fair value gap. I'm hoping it goes to like midway, but we just carry on. We just keep trailing, right? We trail away. Thanks, Solly. I know. Level up. Oh, wasn't there a song that went like that? I can't even remember. It used to be a thing. I remember singing, well, maybe not singing that, but I remember everyone was going crazy for that song. Hey Ethan, what's up? How's it going? How are you? This little bit here. Yeah, a little bit of breathing room. I still think it wants to go up a little bit higher, but let's see. Lukey, we approach 30-minute test starting 629. Okay, okay. Is this simulation or real trading? Well, Spark, I'm on a prop room, but I mean, it is theoretically real trading. It's an eval account. Oh, there we go, sorry. That, yeah, honestly. Know where you're from. Sorry, that was rude. Sunburn, that's how I am. Oh, nice, Ethan. To be fair, I got a good little tan going this weekend. You can't really see it, can you? You can kind of see the lines. $25,800 later. What? Hey, Mike G. So still on the Nasdaq futures. Let me do this. Come on, go back up. Thanks. Oh, interesting. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What are you trading? I've only trained on an Investopedia simulator. Oh, interesting. Nice, Ethan. I love it. I love it. At least, luckily for me, touch wood, because I'm half Portuguese, I tan. Oh, it hit the inverse fair value gap. Let's see if it's gonna dip back down and take me out, or if it's gonna continue up. I think it might dip now, but let's see. Maybe it goes halfway into the inverse fair value gap on the 4-hour, by the way, just if anyone was wondering. Ah. Thanks, David. Back for some more trading action. Obviously, Mark G. That's what we're here for, right? Love it. Gotta love it. Do I move this a little bit higher? I'm gonna move it a little bit higher. Not a lot, just a little bit. Maybe it's a mistake, but... let's see. Oh, Solly. Okay, well, let's see. I think it's gonna take us out now. It tapped into this inverse fair value gap. Literally wicked into it. So I wonder if it's just properly bouncing off of it now. No, I think this might be it, Solly. Now well. Skin cancer is one of the most common cancers. Yeah, good way to start. How many languages do I speak, JJ? Oh, sorry, I'm pretty terrible at languages, to be honest. So English, and I can speak a little bit of Afrikaans. I'm not great at it though, but I can speak a little bit of Afrikaans. Oh, good night, Blair. Enjoy. The highest rate of cancer in the world was... Wow. No, Rip? Maybe. Maybe. It kind of is, though. It's respecting that. Ah, oh, dag nabbit. Nah, poop. Hey, see me do? What's up? David, ah, oh, damn. Oh, well, you know what? That was still pretty awesome. We are up $430 today. I can't complain about that. That was a goodie. Okay, so what I do for the trailing one is I then go here again. Maybe I should just make it here. Boop. And then it took me out around there. Meow. Okay, there was my entry. Why do I have like 3 things? No, I don't. I'm just being blunt. Don't mind me. My entry, and this was the trailing one. There we go. And yep, now it's coming back down. So literally tapped into that inverse fair value gap on the 4 hour. You can see here, I marked it here. And now a proper retracement back down. Nice! Did I? Rip? You think so? Well, okay, Rip, to be fair, I had it... Where was it? It was down here. Let's see if it goes back up. But this is around the level I had it. Ah. Okay. So it would have taken me out regardless of where I had it. So then I'm glad I had it a little bit higher. Right? Right, yes. Sally, are you also out? Oh, David. Oh, thank you, Rip. Thank you, thank you. She takes care of horses. Yep. How much money can you earn on futures? Yeah, it's like any other trading. No, Solly, it's fine. We got this. We got this. It was definitely a good start. Wait, let me move this. Definitely a good start. So out of curiosity, here was my entry there. If I had done a second trade here, again, I probably wouldn't have, but it would have tagged in and gone up also. I'm starting to see if I should be a bit braver in that regards. Like, it's going in my way. Try take... this doesn't look great. Oh, maybe it does look great. Let's see, you are snoring so loud. Do you know that? Okay, cool. He stopped. Sorry, that would be my dog. Making all the noise. I love him to bits and pieces, but damn. You know, his snoring wakes me up at night. 326. But what time is that in SA time? It's Central. New York time. Okay, I'll figure it out now. Thanks, David. Yeah, guys. That was a win, so that was exciting. We are up decently today. Whoop whoop. Oh, what time is it, actually? Oh, and we still got 30 minutes to go. Okay, let's wait and see what it does with this inverse fair value gap. Was that the shift? Did it want to just tap in and continue down? What is the rejection gonna do? It's kind of what I'm waiting to see now. Let's see what it does. But... Yee, that was a win. I have like 30 minutes still. And then I gotta go to the ponies, and then I'll be back for the New York session. what kind of dog do I have? He's a proper rescue. So he's just a good big boy. So a proper mix. Imagine like it's not a Saint Bernard, a Bernese mountain dog mixed with a German Shepherd. Yeah, like a short-haired German Shepherd. That's kind of what he looks like. Oh, Ethan, another boxer? What? Where's Ellipses? Ellipses! Are you still here? Got another boxer. That's so cool. That was your discounted buy entry. Market bounce from that level if it gets there. Okay, rip. Bits of everything. Yeah, David, literally, you can probably pick a breed. Pick any breed, and it's probably in there. Love him to bits and pieces, but he probably has everything and anything. Oh, okay, now that I woke him up, I have to go open the door. Give me a second, he's grumpy at me. I'm getting so old. As I stood up, my hips went, and I was like, okay, that's not supposed to happen. Anyways, are we going long gold and oil now? Let's check, shall we? Mark, let's actually see. What Pomeranian? Okay, David, you got me there. David, you called me out. You got it. You got me. No reason to short just yet, I would say. Lukey, okay. Not bearish, but inversely identified with the order block. Sorry, what's my account balance? Oh, can you not see? It's on 49771. So still not in the green yet. But I mean, I went up 400. Like I said, Thursday and Friday actually screwed me. Those 2 days, I was doing so much better. And then, yeah. Oh well. What's an order block? Bestia, are you asking or are you just kind of testing me right now? I feel like you're testing. I mean, there's a beautiful little order block on the 1 minute, but I know the order blocks on the 1 minute aren't always the most reliable. Even I wouldn't even call it beautiful. The better one would be up here. And everyone sees order blocks differently. I realized that from Boom. We both saw an order block differently, and that was very interesting. Oh, I wanted to check out gold quickly. Let's see what gold is. Oh, gold. Oh, bleh. Gold's not great. Laura, are you still here? Are you still trading gold? I mean, if you were convinced on sells, this little trend down here would have been decent. Solly, how many contracts did I use for the trade? I used 10, by the way. Yeah. 10 because it was, how many points was it? It was only 10 points. Yeah, 10 points. So 10 risks around $200. And I try and risk around $200 per trade. Oh. The staff falling now. Dragon trade, all the staff falling out. Well, what I thought would happen, so you can see I marked it here. This was the 4 hour, there was an inverted fair value gap. Let's actually check out the 4 hour. No, it did. It tapped in a little bit further up. So you can see I've marked it out here. This is the 4 hour inverted fair value gap. Could have drawn it a little bit lower actually, but point is, I thought it would tap into it. So you can see where it is there. I'm gonna now block off all the noise. There we go. Took out internal liquidity. Went and tapped into the 4 hour inverted fair value gap. Who's messaging me? Now, is it going to continue down? Yeah. I mean, on the 4 hour structure indicates that we're going to continue up, but... Lukey, I know you're still looking for shorts, eh? What do you think, Lukey? Also see we have... Oh, we don't have news today. Do we have news today? Oh, we do have news today. Why do we have news today? Why is there always news? Don't mind me, I'm just talking nonsense. Okay. 1,000 gold is suicide right now. Looking like it wants to go lower. Yep, that's what I thought. And all of what means a change in directional price flow, ICT. I mean, we'll go more into there, right? More into that. If we bounce from 255 to 8.50 or around that level, then I want to see 25576 hit to make it simply note the order block on 402. Wait, where's the level? 528. .50. Okay, got it, got it. You're wanting to see if it'll respect this and then continue up? Okay, there's Rip's level. Nope. I'm gonna be quiet there. I just bought it. It better go back up. Oh, Diamante. Oh, okay. Portrait Pro. I've never heard of that. Anyone use Portrait Pro, or is it a scam? I haven't heard of it, but it's not really like I've been around for a while. Anyone? Have you heard of that? Is that a thing? Well, there's Rip's level. Sid, you think buy. Maya, can you help me understand your logic behind your decisions? How to decide to predict increases or decreases? What do you mean by that, Spark? Like, predicting what in particular? If it's going to go up or down, or what am I looking for? Is that what you're asking? Instead of writing down low, it created an order block. 16. Yeah. We convert the price flow to buys, then look at 1026. That was your buy. I mean, Celestia, I can't argue with you, except I wouldn't have trusted it because it was still in the range. Just for me, again, for me. I mean, on a higher time frame, this would be a very nice. Let's actually check. 2 minute. Yeah, even on the 2 minutes, you can see it's quite a nice inverted fair value gap, which means, yeah, this would have been a good indication for a buy. I'm always questioning when it comes to the chop. That's just me. Perennial, you doubt it holds. Short NQ will be out before US market open. Seems overbought to me for now. Ooh, okay, Dragon. Let's. Oh. Well, it's respecting it. I would wait. It hit my target level and I was waiting for it to hit. Oh, Spark, no, don't worry. How it goes up or down. Hey K Venturi, what's up? I've missed a bunch of things. I've missed a bunch, I can see that. But anyways. Hi from Norway, what's the channel about? The channel is about trading, Tobin. National... Oh, that's why I was getting... Oh, damn, David, okay. Oh, Ricky, what? I'm so sorry. Sid, you think buy this? Sorry, I have an itchy nose. So, Ricky, check, I had a win. I'm in the green for today. I mean, there's still New York session. And you see I'm hesitant to get back into another trade because I'm like, I'm green and a decent amount. I put the correct amount of contracts in. It was awesome. So now I'm like, we're done. I know we're not done, but. So let's see, everyone's kind of looking at this level. Incorrect range. Use this level again. Let's see if it respects the 50% of this or not. Oh, maybe it is going to pop up. Okay. Okay, I'm not convinced. My huskies really need to deliver supplies into the wilderness and people who are stranded. It's getting cold here. What? Tobin, what? That is so cool. Why was that? It was because it took 93 sell side and respected the range of the order block below. Oh, thanks, Ricky. Oh, thank you, thank you. Yeah, getting there, slowly but surely. And patience is key. Patience is always key. It's difficult, but it's key. So this would only be 5 contracts. Let's see if I had taken this. I am not guaranteeing that I'll take another trade today during the London session. I might take another, well, let's see, New York, probably, but I see... Is there? No. Is there news today? I do not know if there is news today. A little bit of resistance. And we've got this level here. Sorry, you guys are gonna have to deal with a bit of a Christmas tree going on. Oh, thanks, Tobin. Well, good luck with your huskies, by the way. Is the rally over? Kinda looks like it. So let's still go. I mean, David, yeah, come on. The horses are amazing. And I haven't seen them the whole weekend. Which sucks. I wanted to go give them a bath yesterday. And then, like I said, I got busy. They both need a bath. Thanks, Celestial. 576, 576. Oh, so basically around where this TP is, so if I had entered around the 0.5 level, this is basically here. Let me make a 76.5. There we go. On the, yeah, literally. Check there, Rip. Huh. Let's see if it goes up. I want to see. Ow, ow, ow. I should show you guys my knee. Yesterday, don't ask me how, but I did a load of washing, and when I opened the door to go into the washing room, I somehow managed to knee the door frame so solidly that I have a bruise like this on my kneecap. That was not fun. That was a bad idea. Hey Carl, what's up? Horse doesn't even trade. No, they just take all the money. Hey! Elias, what up? Relax with Gigi. Hi. Right, have a good day, everyone. Catch you at New York. Oh, cheers, them guy. Enjoy. Did it tap your level? How's it looking? Dea, I'm from South Africa. Yep, I'm from South Africa. Let's see how it respects this level. I'm curious if she'll retest back down before it goes back up. Or is it going to hit this level and continue back down? Let's see, we got a few minutes left. Oh, hey LP, there you are. Been awfully quiet. How's it going? How's it going? Absolutely winning today. Well, has anyone else had a winning trade? I haven't whooped everyone yet. Well, apart from Solly, right? Solly? Solly gets a whoop whoop, because Solly did have a winning trade. Anyone else? No, no! No! Yeah, wait, David. Why? Why? Do you know what it is? I think, unfortunately, I'm in a small town. And a new fiber company has installed fiber, and I think they have overloaded the damn system. Which is very frustrating, because this never did this until they started placing the new fiber cables. I saw everyone wait. I just realized that. Basically, Rip. Well, let's see. Let's see. Sorry, guys. I apologize. I promise I'm not doing it on purpose. I'll blame the weather. It's super windy. Oh. Huh. Thanks, Mike G. Appreciate it. It is my Wi-Fi though. I'm putting it out there. This is my Wi-Fi. That's being a little bit slow. Okay. I think it's gonna start going down. It's just what I think. Yep. For 50%. I don't even know if that would have tagged me in, but it's fine. He went around this level. What's it gonna do now? Wow, Deva, wow. Africa Internet. You know what? I can't even argue with you. Can't even argue with you. Let's see. Rip, are you in any of these trades, by the way? Oh, thanks for the new subs, guys. But yeah, is anyone else in any of these trades? How's it looking for everyone else? Okay. My TV was 2 points away from the swing high I just made. Oh! Diamante. Well, let's see. Let's see, it could go back up. I'm just learning, have no idea. Oh, Mikey, that's fine. I feel like I missed a bunch of questions. Now that things have calmed down, if anyone wants to, if I missed a message or I missed a question, you can please resend it. I do apologize. Obviously, I've been kind of trying to focus and get things a little bit more accurate. Trade you 50 for decent donut. Yeah, we don't have decent donut. Well, I say that. We have Krispy Kreme. Krispy Kreme's quite good. 52 and I hit my daily target goal. Woo! Okay. And then you're done? I'm scared to ask you that, Diamante, but... Oh, so it's literally at the midpoint of this. Okay, okay, Diamante, let's see. This is a positive expected attitude. You make money over the long run, even if you lose some. Okay, Rip. Hey, Ace, what's up? Joy? Hi. Perennial growth, which indicators? Well, I don't really have. I have a VWAP and the volume. That's about it. Yeah. Mikey, what exactly am I doing? You know futures, but how am I executing? Well, I have my little GAN, which I know annoys a lot of people. I have my little GAN box. So with regards to this trade here, what did I have here going for me? I had a few things going for me. Oh yeah. Was down here. I literally use the range and I have to have at least, let's say 2 to 4 confluences to confirm that trade. So I need to have at least a fair value gap as a blocker, a little bit of an order block, and well, trend, obviously you stick with trend. But how do I execute it? I do limit orders. I'm curious to know how many of the band are married. Long above, not sure for me just yet. Okay, Lukey. Nox. Hopefully it won't go lower than 510, then bounce back up for a bit. Ooh. Nox, are you paper trading, by the way? Hey, Diamante! Whoop whoop. Whoop whoop. Whoop whoop. Nicely done, Diamante. If I get punched on the right cheek, I show my left. Actually, I'm gonna stay in my corner. Long above 4475. Yep. Here we go. So apparently this would have been the correct entry. Nice. So didn't quite do what I thought it would there. I'm gonna keep that up. But sometimes it's good to take note of them. Sometimes they don't do as much as I want to. Now we want the speed to continue. Oh yeah, guys, if you're at least enjoying this, please don't forget to like this stream. That would be amazing. And if you want to show some of the love, if you are using prop firms and if you want to support, below in the description are all of the props I'm affiliated with, and my code is TEACHMAYA if you want that extra discount. Well, you said you want the speed to continue. It's not really continuing right now. Even if I'd done this. Again, that's itty bitty. It would have been a goodie, but it's itty bitty. And now, here's the speed. Let's see, Rip right there at the TP. Man, maybe I should have taken... Nope. Nope. I've learned something. It's don't be hasty to just jump into the next one. I've done that before. Disaster. Was really, really bad. Hey, Travis. How do I feel about Bitcoin? We're actually discussing Bitcoin earlier because I was having a long discussion with someone about it. Bitcoin, I think, is good for investing. Again, I'm not an expert. I think some guy went to go and work, but some guy is more of the expert on it. And we were having a little bit of a debate. Don't even think debate's the right word. He was teaching me some things about it. And it sounds like Bitcoin can be quite promising for the long-term investing. I mean, even if you want to do day trading, you just have to know your specific points of interest and where your entries and exits should be. A little bit better than I guess at that. This is quite good. That's better. But is it going to go that low? Yeah. Potentially not. Normally if it hits this far, I think it does just prove that these inverse fair value gaps on the 1 minute are not that trustworthy, but on the 4 hours, because that's what it's tapped into again. On the 4 hour, it respects it a whole lot better. To left, stop up, trailing in public. Ooh, nice art. Campus, thanks for I'll be around. See, cheers, JJ. Hey, David Hoggett, how you doing? Nahashon? I think I said that right. Sorry. You are new here. Welcome. Welcome. Everyone is welcome here, unless you're being mean. Then you're not welcome. This is a very nice, loving, supportive community. Hello, Finn. Oh, hi. Sorry. Your name just got me like super happy because my horse's name is Finn. How long have I been trading for? I've only been trading since April. Perennial growth. What's helped me most along the journey to profitability. So I'm not profitable yet, but I must say patience. Unfortunately, because I can be quite an impatient person sometimes, but patience I think is key. So to give you an idea, I don't want to lie. Let's say it's at 57. I have to go double check. But patience took this strategy from being a 40% win rate to a 58% win rate. Just because I was better at executing the strategy. Yeah! David, I thought you knew that! Yeah, man, what's his name is Finn? Well, okay, to be fair, his name is File In, and I just popped it together to make it Finn, because Finn is much better than File In. To be fair, he has like 5 names, but that's a long story. Okay, it looks like things have slowed down a tad bit now. For now. I'm expecting it might do something crazy in the next 6 minutes, but let's wait and see. Standing on money. Sorry, I also don't got much. Laura, I'm so sorry. I saw it was kind of doing some weird and wonderful things. It kind of sucks though, because gold I thought would be doing a little bit more, but it's fine. Ever entered in that trade because of what I said? Move your stop at break even if you entered correctly. I see you. Okay, so you think break even now, Rip, for those that entered at that level. Patience is key. Waiting for those proper setups helps a lot for sure. Exactly, perennial growth. So I think, in all honesty, it was the mental side of things. instead of being irrational and just jumping into things or letting FOMO is such a pain in the butt. Instead of letting FOMO take over, actually doing the correct entries, you know, waiting for your proper setups and then getting in. Yeah, I think that was it. In all honesty, it's the mental side of things. Because again, I've had this debate with a lot of people. At the end of the day, every strategy is successful if you execute it correctly. If you're executing it at the wrong time or the wrong levels or whatever the case may be, then obviously it's not going to be successful. Oh, this would have sucked. See, there would have been my entry. I was looking at that, okay. Let's see what this does. So every day I feel like I'm learning something new. So if I go quiet, it's because I'm genuinely watching what happens and how it's reacting to things. So I apologize for some weird pauses now and then. Preserve. Can't be a trader if you have none. Rip. Bad. Drindle, how old am I? How old do I look? Aw, thanks. Okay, yeah, guys, don't forget to please like the stream. Damn it. No. I was even looking at the setup and I was like, maybe not. Maybe. That's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Got 2 minutes to go. I mean, this still would have been a really good trade. Would have at least moved or mitigated my risk to midpoint. So I know this looks a little bit like a Christmas tree right now, and it's a little bit overwhelming and there's a lot going on. Sorry about that. Ooh, Lofin, would I recommend beginners to trade futures or CFD indices? I'm so sorry, I did that again. I sometimes call it indices, it's indices. Lofin, to be honest, I'm not 100% sure, just because I just started with futures and I did the micros to preserve capital. So whatever you do, I suggest starting with the micros just while you get the hang of things before you start just going full tilt into it, so that you preserve capital, like Rip said, right? You know, preserve your capital because you can't trade if you don't have any. So I've just always done futures. It's just what I started with. But for everyone else, would you guys say futures or CFD indices to start with? Speed wanted for the next 5 minutes. Nick, I know you're trolling, but that was very funny. Hey Michael, what's up? Rip, let's see, it's R. I gotta go, guys. Let's see if this goes a little bit higher up. Boo. But I gotta go. Damn, maybe, ooh. Okay, well, this one would have moved my risk to midpoint. See if this would have taken me. Okay, doesn't matter. Cheers, guys. Green for London session. Whoop whoop. That's amazing. I'm gonna leave these up. I'm gonna hop back on, and during the New York session, I'll come and see if these were winners or losses and why, right? Like, where did it bounce off of? Because it looks like it's potentially hitting this resistance level by the inverse fair value gap. But again, let's see. And Rip, I've got your 2 levels noted. I'm genuinely curious to see how they react to them. David, don't trade without any stops. Oh yeah, David, that's also valid. So I always have my stop losses. Always. Always. How do you stop looking at other assets when you don't see your setup on the most? Oh, Drindle, To be fair, I've only kind of jumped between MNQ and gold for now, because I said I wanted to get good at one asset first. you know, get good at one thing before jumping around. That was basically it. Ooh, this looks like the 12 o'clock reversal. Oh, sorry, I'm using my time. But around this time you start to see some movement. If it's a reversal or not. But point is, there's some movement. Try to be risk-free, so no worries. Huh? Yellow, yeah. Hold up, he might be onto something. Diamante. Let's see. Okay. Okay, I'll come back. New York session, I'm back. I'll be back. For the New York session, let's do this. Oh, Nathan, no. I got one. What do you mean? Right here. I love you guys madly. Oh, I wanted to be sassy. Don't be sassy. Be nice. Let's not bring out the sass. Sass can stay away for now. I love you guys madly. Again, please don't forget, number one, to like the stream if you at least had some fun with me. And it was a win in the green for today, which was super exciting. So please don't forget to like the stream. And if you guys want to show some support, if you want to use my affiliate code to get a discount on any of the prop firms in my description. I nearly said in my discount. That's not right. In my description below, you can go check them out. Let's see how it goes. Be sassy. No. David, that's mean. Okay, but I love you guys madly, and I will see you then later for the New York Open. I love you guys.